Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing video for this hair that I got. So the hair that I purchased is from One More Hair, and I got an 18, a 22, and a 22-inch bundles and an 18-inch closure for free. They were running a special. It was you buy 3 bundles and you get a closure free. So I'm just probably gonna make like a wig out of it. It was just too good of a deal to pass up. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So this is what it comes in. So you get lashes and the pack. I already took one bundle out so I can show you guys. Well, I really just wanted to play with it, but so yeah, this is what the pack looks like that you get. And I think I spent maybe like $120. It was super cheap, so we'll see how well this hair lasts and it holds up and everything like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what everything looks like. Here is the 20-inch bundle. And I'm gonna take everything out of the pack. So it's the 20, the 22, and a 22. Y'all can see that. And then my closure. So it is nicely packaged. So I took my first 22-inch out of its pack, and this is what it looks like. So it's super nice. I'm not getting any shedding. It's pretty much just going straight through. Of course, y'all know how it goes when you first get new hair. The ends are really full too as well. You also get a free pair of lashes that I probably won't use. But hey, free is free. So it's the first 22-inch. Take the hair out of its netting. It does come netted as well. So here is the second 22-inch bundle. This body wave is bouncy. It's super soft, guys. Really, really soft. Still no shedding, and I'm like raking through this hair. So far, so good. Lastly is the 20-inch bundle, and then I'll show you guys the closure. So this is the 20-inch, just as soft. The hair does not have a bad smell. It kind of just smells like new weave. Yeah, it just smells like new weave. It has no smell to it. The ends are pretty full as well on this bundle. I am like really liking this hair. I was super suspicious about the hair being thin, but wrecking my hands through it, I'm not really getting that at all. It's super dense. So here is the closure, the fun part. Okay, so here's the closure. The knots are not bleached, so I'll probably maybe not bleach the knots. I'm really indecisive on it, so I'm not 100% sure. The ends on the closure a little thin, but it's okay, we'll make it work. It does come with baby hairs as well, these little baby hairs. But here's the construction of it so you guys can see. So yeah, here is the closure. I'll probably make a wig out of this weave. What's today? Today's Wednesday, so I'll probably make the wig like Saturday or Sunday. I don't know. It'll be made by like the end of this week. But for the shipping, it came roughly, I ordered it on Black Friday, so it was super crazy. So my order went through on Sunday and it came to me today, so it was pretty fast. Overall, first impressions, I give it about an 8 out of 10, just because when I pulled my 22-inch bundle out, it had a little bit of like stragglies in the bundle. Like, it wasn't like all one length, it was like kind of like flat waist. I think besides that, I'm not like, there's nothing bad I can say about the hair right now. I mean, so far there's nothing bad I can say. I will put up a review on it, probably a 3-week review, once like I get it installed. Or let me know if y'all want an installation review, or just wait until I like wear it 3 weeks. I don't really know, but y'all let me know. But that is all for this video today, and I hope you guys liked what I had to say about this weave, and I really hope it's really good weave. I really can't wait to put it in, but I'm letting my hair breathe right now, so I'm not really tripping on rushing on putting it in, but I will make sure that I make this wig so I can review the hair for you guys. So stay tuned for my next video, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can know when I post another video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.